This is going to be our movement for the day on our Bitcoin. This is our BTC. So let's do in-depth analysis and also a quick analysis on what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Bitcoin. So first thing first, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram to stay. Now, to be able to understand what the market is doing, to understand the trend, you need to analyze it from the higher time frame. Then we are going to do the analysis and see what the market will be doing. So this is our full trend. We all know that Bitcoin is literally on a downtrend. The overall trend, by the way, the main trend of Bitcoin is literally on a downtrend. Bitcoin has literally been dropping, right? Now, if you go to your forward time frame right here, this is a multiple rejection zone right here, which I have highlighted. And we all know that once market is able to come to this level, most of the time it will drop. There are times that it will give us a false breakout and it will eventually correct itself and drop. This is also another push up that market did give us, right? This is another push up that market did give us. And you can see this as a false breakout. So you can see that this is a false breakout the market has given us. Now market is now correcting itself and it's now dropping. So this is to tell you that still on Bitcoin, right? We should be anticipating for a sell. So whatever you want to be doing on your Bitcoin, you should be looking for a sell setup. That because Bitcoin is still very much bearish, and we will be expecting that bearish move to drop to a level of $68. Right? So currently Bitcoin is trading at 70,000, right? 70,000. Let's say it drops to a level of 69,000. Once it hits a level of 69,000, then the next level will be 69,000. So guys, this is what we'll be expecting between Thursday and Friday, which is for today, which is Thursday and so Friday. We should be expecting Bitcoin to drop to level 69,899. This is what we'll be expecting Bitcoin to do. I repeat, a level of 69,899. Once it drops to that level, I will then give you guys an update what we are going to be expecting next.